Hello everyone, welcome back to Star Wars XCOM 2, War of the Chosen. No, just kidding. You guys know why you're here. I'm going to show you today how to merge the two mods, Long War of the Chosen and Advent to Empire. So I'm going to walk you through all the steps. If you have any questions, definitely reach out to me in the comments. I should be able to answer relatively quickly. If you want a video on how to install the alternate mod launcher or how to mod XCOM 2 in general, please also put that in the comments and I will definitely make a video. And anyways, yeah, let's hop right into it. All right, so first you're going to want to start with a fresh install. So I just uninstalled the game. Easy manage, there'll be an uninstall button, and then it should end up looking like this. Wow, yay. Next, you're going to want to go into your OSC or storage drive, wherever your users folder is stored. You're going to want to go to users, go to your user, app data, local, and then scroll down to XCOM 2. You're going to want to delete both of these. This is also relatively important, I think, because I think your computer can still dig into your recycle bin when you reinstall the game on Steam. So go to your recycle bin, empty your recycle bin of these two, the catch and launcher, and then should be good for a fresh install and ready to install the mods and change the game. Alright, so now with everything deleted, let's get a fresh install of the game. Install it where you want to put it. I just put it in my OSC and just wait for her to download. Alright, so now that XCOM 2 is finished downloading, you're going to want to go and install the alternate mod launcher. There is a bunch of good tutorials. They may be a little bit outdated, but I did one that was like 6 years old, I think, so should work just fine. So install your alternate mod launcher. If you want to see a video on how to do that, just let me know in the comments and I will get on that. But for now, install the alternate mod launcher and then come right back. So here we go in the 2K launcher. This launcher is absolute booty crap. Not only does it mess up when you install mods and does sometimes duplicates things, sometimes you can't even run the game with it. And also sometimes messes with the vanilla game. And so the lovely community have created the alternate mod launcher. Now this is actually incredibly stable. I have not had a single problem with this. Literally the only reason why it's ever crashed is because of mods that I've installed. So whatever they did was amazing. You can pick it up on GitHub. I'll leave a link in the description, and also a link to like a video on how to install it. And but anyways, yeah. So great launcher to use. But yeah, 2K launcher. Do not use it. Do not use the 2K launcher. It does not work if you want to install mods. Alright, so here's the alternate mod launcher. This is where all of your mods will be. You can sort them into different categories and whatnot. Unsubscribe, install, blah, blah, blah. Incredibly easy to learn and to use. A lot of good menus and all that. And you can also run it with, I think the base game works, and then also Chimera Squad. But anyways, yeah, so there's that. And then next what we're going to do is we're going to go to the workshop for XCOM 2. We're going to type in Advent to Empire. We're going to go to the workshop page. So here's the mod that we're going to try to splice into Long War 2. So if you go down here, there's actually a lovely discussion about bringing this to Long War of the Chosen. Because this I don't think this has been updated since 2022. So I don't think they intend to ever port it to Long War of the Chosen or make a patch or anything. I don't even think they'll be updating it anytime soon. So definitely this is probably your best option until someone makes a mod to be able to add them together. So anyways, you open it up into here. Special thanks to Irakira But anyways, this gives you a pretty good step-by-step of how to do all this, but I'm going to walk you through it just so you can have a visual, because I'm a visual learner, and just reading this actually took me quite a while to do. So anyways, first go back into your workshop, go to your Long War of the Chosen page, download all your requirements and their requirements. I can't remember if any of these other ones need requirements. But anyways, you need to get all these. Download Long War of the Chosen. Go to Advent to Empire. Download all of its requirements and their requirements. Also, just like any other related mods that you'd like to install, I'd recommend, just to test that this actually works, just to do these 2 mods for now and their requirements, just so you can make sure that you've gotten it correct and that the other mods that you install haven't messed with it. All right, so now we're going to go into our alternate mod launcher, pick up Long War of the Chosen. Yours is definitely going to look different because I have a lot of other mods installed, but well, I'll just show you which ones to add. So we got Long War of the Chosen, Advent to Galactic Empire, the content, and then I'm going to run with Bounty Hunters, but you can also choose Sith Lords. Only download one of these, or only allow one of these, because if you install both of them, they will not work. So anyways, do that. Missing dependencies. This mod launcher is wonderful with this. There's literally a little tab right here that can tell you what stuff you need, and you can activate them all from this menu. How crazy is that? So let's go into here. Dual-wield pistols. All right. And now we got to figure out what dual-wield pistols needs. Now, primary secondaries, I believe there is... Oh, it does use beta now. That's actually very nice. Okay. Anyway, so the old primary secondaries was not the best, so they made a new one, and then all the old mods that used it still told you that you needed the old one, but the new one worked with it. But anyway, so this should work just fine with the new one, I guess. Long War of the Chosen. Let's get all of the requirements for that one. See. There we go. Primary secondaries has some. Let's see. What else? What am I missing here? Oh, here we go. Overwatch rules change. Okay. So now that we have those 2 very important mods installed, now we're going to go to our how-to. This is another mod that you need. This is to permanently prevent Long War units from spawning. So you're going to go to the store page for this, download it, and then pop into your mod launcher. So I already have it downloaded, so choose your aliens. We're going to allow that. All right, and then we're going to go to the config folder of the mod, and I will show you how to get to that. All right, so we're going to go to the config file, and once again, alternate mod launcher is wonderful. You can just click on the mod that you want to look for. I've got Long War of the Chosen, and if you right click, you can just click Show and Explorer. Now, an alternate way to get there, so you got your PC, right? OSC, go to your Steam directory, so probably Program Files 86, go down to Steam, Steam Apps, so that's going to bring up your games, and if you go into Common, you should be able to get to the Xcom 2 game files. We'll probably end up using that later, but since we are looking at the mod itself, we're going to go to Workshop, and then we're going to go to Content. Now, so here we run into a problem, right? So we have a bunch of these random numbers, and we open it up, and we have even more random numbers. We have no idea what any of these are. So what these are is these are each of your different workshops for different games. So I think I've got I think this is Starbound. This is all my Starbound mods right now. We've got whatever this is. This is what I'm guessing is War of the Chosen because it's so long. I have a lot of mods installed right now. whatever this is empty, and then there's this one that has some in it. I don't even remember what else I have modded. But anyways, the way that you can figure out what it is so you should only have a couple, hopefully, but if you just downloaded mods, it would probably say the most recent that you've modified. So anyways, we're going to go to a page called SteamDB. So this is the Steam database. And then we're going to type in one of the things and see if we can figure out what game it is. So we're going to type in 268-500 and then enter, because it's only going to show certain things. So you're going to want to pull up the search. And look at that. It's XCOM 2. So this is your XCOM 2 mods folder. And then I believe if you just type in this in Google, it will probably pull up the mod page. So let's just try that real quick. All right, so we type it in. Let's see. Look at that. Long War Leader Pack. So that's how you find out which ones those are. But luckily, the alternative mod launcher will take you straight to the mod file, or the mod folder. Now we're going to go into the config file, and what you're going to want to do is look at which config files we're going to be replacing. So we're going to be replacing disable aliens ini, and then all of these. So we're going to want to back that up just in case we make any mistakes. So we're going to go and copy those and put those into a random folder, probably on your desktop or something, just in case you want to go through and replace those. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, so XCOM 2 Long War config backup, there's that, ready to go. We'll pull up our config files. We'll find disable aliens ini. Oh, hold on. Sorry, my bad. So we're replacing that in the choose your aliens workshop mods. We're going to pull that one up. Okay, so here we go. Here's the config. Choose disable aliens, right? That's the one that we're... so we're going to back up this one. XCOM disable aliens ini. So what we're going to do is we're going to just pop that in there. And then I will get to what we do next in a sec. So first I want to have you guys make a new folder. So this is going to be choose your aliens, backup, pop that in there, and then we will make a backup. So we're going to do that with Long War 2 as well. So we're going to find the mods we're going to, or the mods, the ini we're going to remove. So encounter lists, encounters, character stats. So here's encounter lists and encounters, and then look at that, character stats. Okay, so now that we have those removed, we're going to replace these with the ones provided on this page. They wonderfully provide the link right here, and then we're going to replace those with these. So I am in my docs after clicking the link. Just took me straight here, fortunately. Anyways, so here's our 4 ini files that we're going to be replacing. Here is the list of the Long War of the Chosen units being replaced by Advent to Galactic Empire units. So this is just a list for you to look at to see what they went in and changed. Just in case you want to, like if you wanted a specific enemy to not be replaced, you could go through and edit that. With like whatever you use to edit any files, like maybe Notepad++ or something. And then it also tells you what units they didn't replace because they're important to Long War. So we're going to download, first one is XCOM Disable Aliens ini. So we're going to go in there, get that one, download. It's going to say unverified download blocked. It's okay. It is not a virus. I am showing you right now it's not a virus. You can download it. Pop up into here. I don't know why that's there. That was probably from when I tested it. Anyways, so here's your XCOM Disable Aliens. So we're going to go into the config for the Choose Your Aliens mod. Or whatever it was. And then we are going to move that into there. Look at that. Perfect. Okay, so now that we put it into this mod. We can minimize that for now. Let's pull up Long War config. And then let's get to the other, the encounter lists downloaded, the encounters downloaded, and then the character stats downloaded. I'm pretty sure it's going to give you all the same. So just go ahead and download that. Go back into your config for Long War. I just wanted to add quick, if you do end up pulling up the individual mod, it does just say what it is right here, fortunately, so that's pretty nice. So if you're confused on this huge long list, you know, just go into a mod and then it'll tell you what it is. It's kind of going to be tedious, but that's kind of the only way if you're not using the mod launcher. Anyways, get downloads up, and then we've got encounter list, encounters, and character stats. So I'm just going to confirm those are what we're putting in there. Let's pop up downloads and our config file. So we're going to take these three and just move them into config. Look at that. Now that that's in there, we're going to go to our next step. So what we just did, this will allow the units to spawn, and it's basically, we just kind of modded it ourselves without just downloading a subscribe from Steam. How cool is that? So anyways, that's look at that. That's pretty much it, actually. Then the author just gives a few like things that they gave the list, and then just a couple little tips in case you want to change stuff yourself. And that's pretty much it on this guy's end. So now we're just going to pop into the game, and we're going to make sure it works correctly. All right, so we don't need Steam open anymore. We don't need that open anymore. You can close all your files, your config files, and then the mods that we activated earlier should be all good to go. So now we're just going to run War of the Chosen. Wow, it actually has been like months since I played this game, so this is kind of fun. All right, let's see, whatever. All right, so here we go. Long War of the Chosen is up. I guess we'll just pop into a new game and see if it works.
First things first.
Oh, so it took me to the tutorial. I didn't disable the tutorial. Oh shoot, I accidentally just quit the game. Nice. All right, let's get back in there and retry that. Silly me. Here we go. Okay, so now Long War shows up. Cool. I think it was just because it was a fresh install. You need to run through the tutorial, I guess. Anyways, cool. It looks like it's been updated. Lovely. Anyways, so here is Long War of the Chosen. Disable tutorial. Let's just pop into here. Actually, hold on. Chosen on a holiday. Without Iron Man. Blah, blah, blah. There we go. Gatecrasher. Look at all those dudes. We are in Long War of the Chosen. Woohoo!
Positions concealed.
All right. So now, what we should be seeing is, instead of Long War enemies, we should be seeing Empire enemies. So let's see if we can. I don't know. I guess we'll just play a little bit of Gatecrasher. What, do we see a civilian or something? Here we go. Look at that. So. We've got our Empire enemies. How cool is that? And then it also keeps the, I believe that was the drone. But anyways, let's get in here. Alright, yeah, look at that. So here's our Empire enemies instead of Long War. Now, I've tried to run the mod with Long War, and either the game crashes, or somehow if it starts up, it'll have kind of like mixed enemies. So like it'll have enemies from Long War and Empire. And this also works with the CIS replacer mod as well that I used for the Clone Wars playthrough. So it kind of works if you don't want to do what we just did. But I think that this was a pretty easy way to do this. Pretty easy for like anyone who has moderate any sort of experience installing a mod. But yeah, so anyways, so that's pretty much how to install that, and then yeah, so just dump the rest of your mods into Xcom, and here you go. Anyways, I just wanted to thank you all so much for watching, and I hope you all had a good time, and it was easy to understand. I will definitely answer comments if you have any questions, and yeah, especially if you have any modding questions. If you, like I said before, if you guys want me to make a video on how to use the alternate mod launcher, how to mod XCOM 2, it's super simple, but I will definitely make a video if you guys want me to. And if so, yeah, just leave it in comments, and make sure to leave a like and subscribe, especially if this helped you out. And I hope you all have a wonderful day, and I will catch you all in the possibly the next series. I hope you guys can figure out what I'm going to do next. I think it's relatively obvious with what we're doing here. You know, we did the Clone Wars, and now showing you how to get this mod. So anyways, yeah, have a great day, everyone, and bye-bye.
This area is secure.
Light up the armor. Is it clear? Get it together. Black out. I'm going. One down, thousands to go.